So here's how to perform the funky walk celebration on FC25. So all you have to do is hold the L2 button and flick the right analog stick twice to the right, and that will perform the funky walk celebration. So let me show you that one more time.
Underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Oh, good vision. Well, deemed to be offside by the... Rewarded for that brilliant high press. Jackson on the ball. Now Chelsea in a position of menace.
So hold the L2 and flick the right analog stick twice to the right, and that will perform the funky walk celebration on FC25. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick, and then through and goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.